Bumkosi, the Johannesburg High Court has decided to grant the crime kingpin Katiso KT Mulife a bail of 400,000. Hi, good family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Bumkosi, yebo ndigizwe kahle. The kingpin crime Katiso KT Mulife has been granted a bail, overturning an earlier ruling by the Alexandra Magistrate Court, which had rightly denied him a release. Now I wonder, how did the Johannesburg High Court decided to release this man? Mulife was arrested in July 2025 following the alleged cases of being the mastermind of the 2022 murders of popular music producer and nightclub owner DJ Somebody and his two bodyguards Sibusiso Mukwena and Sandile Mieza. He faces multiple charges including murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and possession of unlicensed firearms and ammunition. Firearms seized from his operations have been linked to 18 other criminal cases, including attempted murders and assassinations. Hayi sham abathandi bomkhosi, mina ngazi ukuthi sifike njani lana. And mind you, this is not Mulife's first escape bathandi bomkhosi from being in jail. Earlier this year, the deputy judge president of the Pretoria High Court granted him bail again bathandi bomkhosi, allegedly in the Ahmad Swart murder case. Ukuthi sifike kanjani lana nama understand. Imagine the people who were busy testifying on the Madlanga Judicial Commission, such as Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, one of the crime intelligence, who testified that Mr. Mulife, along with businessman Vusimuzi Ket Matlala, led a kettle known to be part of the Big Five and involved in contract killings during trafficking, cross-border hijackings, tender fraud, and extortion. And then yet again, this man is released on bail, bathanda bomkhosi, ngemali engaka futhi. I don't know what made that judge to actually conclude ukuthi Umulife deserves to be outside. Am I even safe with making this
Don't
video?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Please do leave your comments down below.
I'm defeated.